Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying compatibility. Dock model and your laptop port must match, otherwise the connection will be limited. Plug the dock's power brick in so the hub can power devices and charge the laptop. Once done, connect essential peripherals, keyboard, mouse, Ethernet, and a primary monitor to the dock. Make sure any required adapter is seated firmly. This immediate setup prevents hot plug detection errors and ensures the dock advertises full capabilities to the laptop when you connect it next. Next, you connect the laptop to the dock using the provided cable, USB-C or Thunderbolt, because that single link carries power, video, and data. Use the port labeled for host connection. If the dock prompts for drivers or firmware, install them and reboot, since firmware enables advanced features like MSD and power delivery. Then open display settings to set extended versus mirrored screens, choose resolutions, and refresh rates. Doing this ensures you get full video bandwidth and avoids mismatched resolutions or stuttering. To finish, verify peripherals. Choose the dock as default audio device, confirm Ethernet connection priority, and set a power plan that allows charging. Arrange cables neatly and keep the dock ventilated to avoid throttling. Test each monitor, USB port, and the laptop charging indicator. If something misbehaves, the quickest fix is to power cycle the dock, then the laptop, and reseat cables. This clears enumeration errors. If the problem persists, update the dock firmware or check BIOS/Thunderbolt security settings to allow external devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.